Hey girlfriends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Welcome back to my channel for another natural hair video. Today's video we'll do a little unboxing of AG Care product. Thank you AG Care for gifting me these items. So I have 5 items that I got to choose from. I of course went for moisturizing products. So I have the Extra Moist Moisturizing Shampoo, Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner, the Ultra Moist Moisturizing Conditioner, Reconstruct Vitamin C Strengthening Mask, and the Set It Straight Straightening Lotion. So I'm kind of on trend with my last few videos. I waited about a week and a half maybe to wash my hair since the last time that I washed it. So I am first going in with a pre-poo. I'm using the Sienna Naturals Untangled Conditioner, but as I mentioned in the last video, I do like to go in with a pre-poo if I've waited more than a week to wash my hair. I'm going to kind of rake and smooth the product in my hair just to get it on the hair and make my hair a little bit softer. Not quite detangle, but sort of detangling, if that makes any sense. But that's what I like to do before I go in with the shampoo. I'm going in with Extra Moist Moisturizing Shampoo. All of their products are vegan and cruelty-free and always without drying sulfates, gluten, DEA, PABA, I've never heard of that one, parabens, and DMDMH, and more. I was today years old, y'all. So DMDM hydantoin, I think that's how you pronounce it, is an odorless preservative that commonly appears in shampoos, conditioners, styling products, moisturizers, and sometimes even makeup foundation. So yeah, it is a preservative. It keeps products from spoiling, but it has raised concerns over the last few years. I'm looking on the site called Healthline, and they list a few of the side effects that it could potentially cause. One is allergic reactions, swelling, hives, flaking, and peeling skin. The next is cancer. And then lastly, hair loss or damage. So I was today years old, but I'm glad that the products do not have this preservative in it because it seems to have very negative effects. So y'all know the deal with the shampoo. I like to go in the scalp first to get a good scalp massage, and you want to make sure you're cleansing your scalp as well as the strands of your hair because scalp is where all the dirt and sweat and buildup lies. So instead of doing 2 shampoos like I normally do, I just did one. First part of the shampoo, I focus on the scalp, and then I focus on the lengths of my hair. So with the Extra Moist shampoo, you're supposed to be able to gently cleanse the hair while restoring moisture, elasticity, and shine. The shampoo is infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid, which I was also today years old when I found out that that could be used in hair products. So of course I looked it up because I had never heard of this being in hair products, or maybe I have and I just didn't pay attention to it because it wasn't like one of the main highlights of the product. But I learned that this is a humectant, which we know humectants are good for drawing in moisture to the hair. Next, I went in with the Ultra Moist Moisturizing Conditioner. I forgot to mention this, but the shampoo and conditioner, it smells like candy. And I think I said it in one of the clips, but obviously this is a voiceover, so you can't hear me express that. But I can't put my finger on quite what I'm smelling, but it has a nice, refreshing, sweet scent. It's not overbearing at all, which I really appreciate. I peeped that the shampoo bottle is actually bigger than the conditioner, which I feel is like it's so backwards because we natural hair girlies definitely use more conditioner than shampoo. I wasn't really convinced that I actually needed this product. You know, if you've watched my videos in the past, well, way back in the past, I used to do a shampoo, rinse out conditioner, and a deep conditioner, but more recently I just do shampoo and deep conditioner. So this is my first time revisiting a rinse out conditioner in a long time. It's telling me to leave it on for 2 minutes, which I did. I set an alarm with Alexa, and I just don't think it really added anything.
Set a 2-minute timer.
It's supposed to rehydrate, nourish, and revitalize. but I feel like leaving it on for 2 minutes doesn't really do much, or doesn't give it room to do much. But I did apply this to my hair. I did not detangle. This one also has hyaluronic acid and herbs, and the website calls it a luxurious and creamy treatment. I'll put the first 5 ingredients on the screen. I love how on their site they have a list of the ingredients, and you can click on each one to see the definition of the ingredients. So some of the few ingredients I'll just highlight are, of course, water is the first one. There's cetyl alcohol, glycerin, caprylic, triglyceride, castor oil, and dimethicone, which is a silicone. By the way, these are all currently on sale on AG's website. They're originally $26. Right now they're on sale for $19.50. The next product that I'm going to talk about is the Reconstruct Vitamin C Strengthening Mask. This one is usually $30 and on sale for $22.50. Usually when I see a product that says something about strengthening or getting stronger hair, I kind of conclude that it has some type of protein in it. And this one does have protein in it. It smells fresh, like a plant or something. I definitely prefer the smells of the conditioner and the shampoo. I love that the conditioner is thick and creamy. I like the thick conditioners because I have really thick hair. This strengthening mask is supposed to add intense nourishment, strengthen the hair, and add elasticity. It has protein, but there's also a lot of moisturizing properties and ingredients in it, like cetyl alcohol, benzalkonium chloride, and of course water is the very first ingredient. So I think it had pretty good slip. When I use a new conditioner or deep conditioner, I go in with my Heyyy wide tooth brush to do the initial detangle, and then I go in with my wide tooth comb to do another detangle, and then I'll use my Felicia Leatherwood brush just to be safe because I didn't really know this product. I'm trying to show you every once in a while how much hair is coming out in the brush. And then I go ahead and add the shower cap onto the back of my hair, the portion that I had already detangled, because it was taking a little while because, as I mentioned in the last video, if I wait longer than a week, my hair is going to get tangled. Like, it will be tangled. So I need to take more time and be a little bit more careful when it comes to detangling my hair, and that's what I was doing here. And so by putting the shower cap on, I was trying to preserve the moisture. So I always like to start in the back and work my way to the front. The back of my hair has the tightest coils and kinks, but, actually the middle of my hair has the tightest coils. The back used to, in my opinion, but it has really surprised me, and it has really, really nice curls. I feel like the hair in the back of my head is fine. In my description box, I list the essential elements of my hair. It does say fine, medium texture, and the back is definitely where it is the fine part. I had someone react to my video, and they're like, they didn't understand why my stylist was saying I have fine hair, but you can't really understand that if you don't touch if you're not, seeing my hair for yourself in person. You can't tell that my hair is fine. I can tell. It feels fine to me, but it's just for the people in the back who think they know everything about someone's hair just by looking at it. You can't really know someone's hair by looking at it over the internet, So anyways, that was a little rant for today, but I like how my hair felt after using the mask. It actually felt soft and moisturized, even though, as I mentioned, it has protein in it. I think the protein is towards the bottom of the list. I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out, and now we are on to the styling portion where I am using the fast food leave-on conditioner. It's supposed to hydrate hair, manage frizz, and it is a lightweight conditioner. This one has aloe leaf extract in it. I really like aloe vera for moisture. It's not water, but it is the second, in my opinion, is second best to water, because it contains a lot of water. It definitely had my hair feeling soft. Same with how I condition my hair. I like to start from the back when I'm styling it and work my way up. And you can see here that the shrinkage is real. I have a lot of shrinkage. And no, I probably wouldn't consider this length of my hair long right now, but it's longer than what you expect when you see it shrunken up, But yes, I loved how it made my hair feel. It made my hair feel very soft and smooth. This was probably the first time that I did not have to go in and brush my hair after deep conditioning and while I'm styling it. Usually, every single time I detangle my hair doing deep condition and it tangles back up, and I use a brush or comb to kind of detangle my hair while I'm styling it. This was probably the easiest styling experience, I think. It was just so easy. I only had to use my little 3-row comb to get the ends, which I usually do anyway, but the rest of my hair was perfect. I love how this product felt on my hair. So I had to switch it up a little bit. I do kind of lean back to this protective style as my go-to, because it's pretty easy compared to using additional hair to do like box braids or twists or faux locks. This takes a lot less time. So I originally wanted to do flat twists in the front, but it wasn't working for me, so I took those out and I ended up doing cornrows in the front. And then I took the twist out the following morning to go to church. I'm very satisfied with how it looks and how it's held up. I'm doing this voiceover about a week later, and my hair is still in really good condition. The deep conditioner, the styling, and the shampoo were the 3 that I would not repurchase because these were gifted to me. But those are ones that I would purchase because I felt like they did something for my hair. I don't know if the Ultra Moist moisturizing conditioner was that great or worth it, in my opinion, because these products are not cheap. I don't think I would purchase the conditioner, and if I did, well, since I have it now, I would probably in the future use this maybe as a pre-poo. These products smell really good, and it sucks because I was sick, so I couldn't really smell things like I wanted to, but when I was using it, it kind of opened my nose up a little bit, and I'm smelling it now as I do the voiceover to confirm, because my nose wasn't really working that time. But I did enjoy the smell of these products. So I'm adding on a little bit of makeup, and then this is a look for church. I think I look cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again to AG Care for gifting me these products. I really enjoy using them. If you enjoy watching this video, please make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel, clicking the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until the next post, which you don't want to miss because it is going to be another new product, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.